Hey everyone, so we've been building something pretty exciting on top of the Flexpal platform, and I wanted to share it with you. This is Flexpal, an AI chat agent that's part of a new mobile application that we're building. With this app, users authenticate via FlexpaLink, pull their FHIR records, and store them locally on their own device. Then they can ask questions about their health data in plain English and get intelligent responses. Flexpal can dig into your healthcare data, whether that's claims, provider data from EHRs, or clinical data through our upcoming FHIR connections, and provide personalized responses, basically turning raw healthcare data into actual insights through conversation. The cool part isn't just that users can ask questions. It's that the AI is making intelligent tool calls behind the scenes to actually navigate and analyze the user's healthcare records. Let me show you how this works. Everything I'm about to show you is using an example user with example claims and clinical records, so we won't be sharing any PHI. Let's say I've decided it's time to start making some changes. The first step is getting a better understanding of my current health. So let's ask, can you summarize my health conditions? Okay. Now notice what happens behind the scenes. The AI doesn't just search through text, it's making multiple tool calls. First to do a basic analysis of my diagnosis records, then it pulls the most relevant health records to have the full context and generates an answer. Now that I know some of the things that I might want to work on, I can follow up with the agent to get a better idea of where to go from here. So now I'll ask, what foods should I eat or avoid to help feel better? So now we can see that Flexpal is actually going to do an intelligent web search in order to get the most up-to-date information for recommendations based on my health conditions. So it's doing a search, it's generating a response, and so we can see we get some foods to eat, some foods to avoid, some special consideration, and it even gives me the sources it used so I can dig deeper and do my own reading and research. So from earlier in the conversation, I thought it said I might have a vitamin deficiency, so I want to better understand that and if certain foods can really help that specific issue. So I'll ask, you said I had a vitamin deficiency, right? Okay, so it's reviewing my records, and then it says yes, and also maybe an iodine and selenium deficiency, and it's giving me some recommendations. It's asking me to follow up to see if I want specific recommendations, and so I'll say yes. And so it gave me some specific recommendations. But let's take this a step further. How can I fit this all together? So let me say I work a 9 to 5 remote. Could you give me an example daily schedule that would help me feel better and include these foods? And so now, based on its knowledge of my conditions, what foods are good, it's giving me an example daily schedule I could follow, including meals, routines, exercise considerations, mental health considerations, all good stuff. So that's a look at Flexpal, an AI agent that helps users get a better understanding of their health. It's powered by the data we can get via our connections to claims from health insurers and clinical data from EHRs and FHIR connections. It's all part of our upcoming mobile application that will allow users to obtain their health information, chat with Flexpal, see and manage their health information, and even share that information via smart health links as part of our CMS-aligned pledge to kill the clipboard. We're pretty excited about where all this is heading, especially as we expand our data access to clinical records via FHIR. Thanks for watching, and please let us know if we can help you power your own healthcare data-driven applications.